want to share this simple, very simple rhythm. If you have 3 congas, you can do it. If you have djembe and pandogo, you can do it. If you have djembe and conga, you can do it. So let's go. This is the rhythm. Don't forget I'm left-handed, so everything start left, you go right, okay? That's how it's go. Enjoy and learn it. See you again. Bye-bye.